Hey, what's going on? Erik Cortina here, Texas Barndominiums. I'm going to give you an update on Barndo 214 today. Let's go take a look. Anyway, as you guys can see, the middle building is almost done. We have the walls up, the roof, everything's up, and we're gonna have the overhead doors coming in the next week. We'll have the overhead doors. So this thing's gonna be completely dried in, and these guys have only been working here about 2 weeks. So things are moving pretty quick. As you guys know, we poured the slab in the house already, and all is going well. Once we come in here, run all the electrical, then we'll come back, foam everything, then we'll do the metal soffits outside, and pretty much we'll be done. In this corner, as you can see from the plumbing, we're going to have a bathroom in here. So very convenient. It's always advisable that you have a bathroom in your shop, especially when it's a shop this big. If you're gonna be working in the shop, trust me, put a bathroom in there because you're going to need it. So always do that. As you can see, this building is 16 feet tall, so it's up there. It has the continuous roof design, and things are going very well. We have a carport out here in the front. We have a carport on the side. We have some windows. Everything's good here. As you can see, let me show you the framework. You can see, like, of course, we have the trusses here. That's the type of trusses that we use for the continuous roof. And over here on the lean-to, which is going to be a carport, we have I-beam, 8-inch I-beam. We have 8-inch purlins, everything 14 gauge. So very, very strong. Everything American made. So all good stuff. On the roof, we have PVC panel from MBCI. Again, all good American steel. And in the post, we use square tubing, Schedule 40. So all is good. Like I said, the overhead doors come next week. We have windows, which are bronze, and that's so that we can match the windows with the house, right? You gotta keep it looking good. So anyway, like I said, all is good here. The shop, here's the slab for the house. As you guys know, we poured that about 2 weeks ago. And once these guys are done with this, we still got to let that cure a little bit longer. But it has been tensioned. They tensioned the post tension yesterday. Now we still have to get it checked out by the engineer to make sure it meets specs. Then we cut them off and then we plaster everything. But so we're probably going to let it sit for another week or so. But after that, like I said, we're going to go from here and start on the house. So exciting times. So anyway, that's what we got going here. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, what is wrong with you? You gotta subscribe, man. We're having fun here. If you missed the April Fool's video, you gotta go check it out. It was a fun video. We had a lot of guys. Obviously, they were jumping off early. They were super mad, so you gotta check it out. The slab is right over there. And now we got to break it up. So we might, I'm trying to think what else we can do with that slab before we bust it up. Maybe we can do some more testing on something else. But anyway, that's all I got for you. We'll see you next time. I'm Erik, and we are Texas Barndominiums.